Well, I finally got it all taken out. Got ready for custom amp rack. Got plenty of space back here. About 6 inches in low spots or so. Gonna make it level and take the carpet out of the back too. I'm gonna do this whole the whole floor band here, the back seat area and the truck area all hit it with some rubber undercoating for sound dampening. It's a lot cheaper than any of that expensive hush mat shit. But yeah, we got her tore down, the brackets out, the seats out completely. Looking forward to seeing what I can do here. But yeah, we'll just pretty much just make a floor here. Make just a flat wood. Well, pretty much make like a box to fit in there. Make the top level, and then I've got 2 sheets of 1/2-inch plexiglass that I can make a couple good sized windows in there and recess it down so they don't get scratched up. But at least that way I can still use it as a cargo area if I need to, and then haul some groceries or haul wood back there, whatever I need, and then have all the amps, the capacitors, and I have to. I'm making me a couple bus bars. I got some copper pipe that I'm gonna smash down and fold and solder up. Since I can't find solid copper anywhere, I'm just gonna have to use copper plumbing and make my own bus bars. But yeah. Now next is get the 2 boxes out. Got the 2 kickers there, and then I got the 2 Alpine Type R's in the back. And that way I get rid of this damn ghetto ass 2 boxes set up. I mean, it's not too bad, but having 2 different boxes and 2 different kinds of subs is kind of a little bit pushing the lines of tacky there. But I think we're in due for a nice custom amp rack flowing into a band pass, or like a 4th order band pass maybe. That's what I'm thinking. Do the 412s in a 4th order. Use the whole trunk. Make a box that fit the whole trunk. But now she is. Got her all out. Trunk pan here, but get the trunk stripped out almost. Probably gonna take the sides off. So up here, the Alpines and the kickers. Wish they were the same brand. At least they're the same color though. Be nice if they're the same brand. There's some heavy boxes. The Alpine box is actually sealed. It's a sealed box, but it's heavier. But here we go. That's what I got going on so far. This is what the work has amounted to as of right now. And then that's going to go all the way back. Wood's going to go all the way back. Be another 1.5 sheets or so. Or well, I got like quarter sheets that I bought, so that's all I can fit in the car. But yeah, I got enough wood to do the bottom there, and that's about it for right now. But got these here. Still trying to figure out where I'm going to put my capacitor bank. I have the capacitor bank. I have my homemade bus bar. And I have the terminal block for the channels for this, because these 2 channels are going to turn into 6 channels. And right now I've got 1 terminal block it's got 6 terminals in it, which is good for 3 speakers. But I need to get another one that would be like right and left. So I'll be taking one channel and running it to 1 terminal bank. So I'm making 1 channel into 3. Be convenient if it was 4, because 4 ohm speakers you could run in series parallel back to 4 ohms again, which I might still do that, because I got the 4-door speakers. I got my 6x9 switch. I put the 6x9s in the back dash here, and then I got some little ones, some little Kenwoods to put up in the front dash that I haven't decided on yet, because they're not equally powered. But I got some of my old first timers sound deadening material there that I have stuffed underneath the rear dash to keep it from vibrating. That, and then there's a couple extra screw holes drilled there on either side to help hold it down from moving so much, but it wasn't doing too bad. It wasn't rattling on me at least, but might save some of that. Probably gonna, same treatment that I'm doing, because you got a lot of factory sound dampening material there, but it's just not sufficient enough, as not as good as covering it with like undercoating or something to deaden the sound. I don't have none of that second skin or, you know, hush mat or any of that kind of good stuff. Dynamat, I believe, is another one. That stuff can be expensive, super expensive. But yeah, if I mount my 6x9s back here, I don't have like any real big, these holes here aren't 6x9 sized, which I was thinking about making like a little pod for them anyway and sealing them so where they're not, they wouldn't be rattling the back dash anyway. They have their own little baffle pod kind of deal sealed up, but those Kicker 6x9s are pretty thick. There's some pretty good magnets on them, so I don't think they're gonna fit there unless I mount them above one of these holes and trim them out some. But I don't know. Other than that, got my power wire still ready to go. Car has a hell of a fucking brand new spare on it. Even got the dealies on the tires. What brand is it? It's up here. It's Road Hugger. Yeah, it's only the second time I've ever had the spare out. It's getting dark on the inside too. I'm not done yet. I got all the sound deadening done. All the rubber coating, undercoating that I'm gonna spray because I ran out. But I still got me a full big old can of truck bed liner. That was nice and pricey. So I didn't get quite all this right here done because I'm gonna put bed liner down on the bottom anyway. But I got her pretty well covered. I wanted to get the rear dash pretty good with the undercoating because I don't want to. I already had a decent amount of sound deadening done to it, and it did pretty decent. But that and these floor pans here, I wanted to get them. They were pretty loud sounding. One thing I was disappointed on is I wanted to get these quarter panels here because I thought getting right in here, I thought that was, you know, the back side of the outside sheet metal going back up in there. But after doing a good old test, it's not sound deadened at all. So I'm figured out I'm gonna have to take the inner fenders off to get in the inside of there. But and I had two vents on both sides. I'd addressed those once before, but one of them had already failed on me. Most vehicles have them. If you hear that, it sounds like a farting noise coming from the trunk of your car when your subs hit. You look on either side. I had one like on both sides, but I have that one out. Outside there being I sprayed it down with rubber coating. But there's the other one. Those flappers, once your base hits, the pressure will make those flappers, they're supposed to let air out, not in. And they'll hear like a fluttering sound. I was calling it a farting sound, but 9 or 2. Yeah, it's kind of looking a little discolored there. I was using 2 different kinds of the same brand of undercoating. Most of it, I think I was using all. No, I was using a Krylon for most of it, and then I had some. I had Krylon. This is the cheaper stuff, and then I had some Rust-Oleum Pro Grade but I only had one can of that, so that's why it's kind of different colored. The Krylon was brown colored, but I got another coat done on the bottom here though. That's what I wanted to make sure of, and that way my amp rack's not gonna be having near as much vibrations, because I'm gonna be spraying it, I think with bedliner to covering it before I paint it, because I want to give it a textured look. But hold on, let me turn music down. Oh, I haven't showcased it.